brilliant ride through Mexico City up to Ajusco and then stopping off for breakfast. Enjoy. Okay, so we've got a very typical Mexico City morning, trying to get through the traffic here. Me and Max heading up to Ajusco, but as you can see, super busy today, so super careful. And we are heading up to the mountains, which you can see in front of us. Oh, it's got amazing views up here, so hopefully we can capture this on camera. Oh, traffic again. So much smoke from the lorries. What a lot of pollution. Wow, check out the view of the mountain. Beautiful. A bit of fog. It's actually getting colder now. I can feel the temperature dropping, which is a fantastic experience on the bike. So we set off around about 22 degrees. I've just looked down and it's 16. When we reach our destination, it's up in those mountains there. So it's going to be even colder again. And now we have an overhanging tree. Wow, this is a real mixture of a storm. Okay, so we're going to change over now, and we're going to pass the camera onto Max's bike and give this a try. So I think there's a good place to stop just up here. We'll check. Okay, so in this section we're trying something new, and we've placed a GoPro on the back of Max and Monse's bike, and I'm riding behind. It's the first time we've tried this and the results are okay, but stay tuned to the channel because there is something coming next couple of weeks which will change this view quite a lot. So stay tuned for more information on that. Excellent. Had to really slow down here. As you can see, there's horses all over, and unfortunately one of them got some twigs stuck behind his leg. You've just seen him there on my right hand side. I was very worried he was going to kick up, but thankfully not. So I mentioned earlier about the temperatures, and yeah, it did drop to around about 10 degrees. So about a 10-degree drop from the bottom to the top. But it was a beautiful ride and a really nice day for it. We are just arriving now in Ajusco. Going to stop off for some breakfast, quesadilla pollo and cafecita. And actually we had some hailstones coming down. I've got a photo of this one. Unfortunately no video footage, but I'll share it with you now. Breakfast is finished and we're heading down the mountain. It's been a great day out, and once we get back into the city, unfortunately it's going to be more rain. So not great footage anyway. Hope you've enjoyed the ride. Hit like, subscribe, you know what to do, and tune in for more. Thank you very much.